Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Just as you see in the title, we are going to prep carrots for cooking purposes, whatever you need it for. All right, so if you look at those carrots, they look a little dingy, dirty. You know what I'm saying? It's a root vegetable, so think about it coming out of the ground. So it's a little dirty looking on the outside. All right, so we're gonna prepare these so that they won't be. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wash them really well. Wash them really well. Leave them wet. Do not pat them dry. All right, so now after we do that, we're gonna put like a piece of wax paper down. This is for easy cleanup. Put that down, then we're gonna start scraping. So take the edge of the knife and hold it at like a 45-degree angle. Don't hold it straight up and down. All right, because we're not exactly cutting here, we're just scraping. So we turn it just slightly to the side a little bit, run it down that carrot. We're gonna scrape all of that dirty outer skin off on the outside. So check that out, look at it already. Great. All right, so however many carrots you're using, we're gonna repeat this for every single carrot. All right, easy peasy, check that out. All right, be sure to cut the end of that carrot off. So as I said, easy cleanup, check that out. Fold it right over. You can keep the same wax paper to do your carrot shreds on. Cut the end of it off, bam, start shredding. Check it out when you start shredding. Look at this. What you're gonna see is a very bright, beautiful orange color. Look at that. Very pretty, all right? We eat with our eyes first, think about it. All right, so if you're not going to just shred or you're going to cut them in discs or use them in something like a stew, then go ahead and cut them. What you're going to do is you're going to boil them until they are fork tender. All right, check out that beautiful, vibrant orange color. Very easy. You can see prepping carrots. Super, super, super easy, everybody. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.